tricky turtle. Ricky the rabbit and Tera the turtle met by the edge of the river. "No one is capable of beating me in a race," Ricky said. He was confident. His smile conveyed that. "I can beat you," Tera said. Ricky laughed with delight. Tera said, "We will race tomorrow. The destination is the hill." Ricky agreed. Tera concentrated on winning the race. She was not faster than Ricky. She needed a definite way to succeed. She told her family about the race. "I have concluded that I have to resort to something bad. I will cheat." She dictated her instructions to them. At the race, they all wore white feathers. They looked exactly the same. Then her family members hid in shadows on the path. The race began. Tera was soon far behind. However, Tera's brother hid behind a bush in the valley below. When Ricky got close, Tera's brother began to run. He looked just like Tera. Ricky ran as fast as he could along the path. But to him, it seemed like Tera was always ahead. Ricky had used a considerable amount of energy. He reached the top, but Tera's sister was already there. "Well, you win," Ricky said. Later, Tera had a broad smile on her face. Ricky never suspected. He had been tricked by a family of slow turtles.